Welcome to Destination Full Time, and welcome as well to Splash RV Resort in Milton, Florida. We've just taken you inside the office as you check in, and let me tell you, we've got a lot to show you because this resort has a little bit of everything. So I'm going to jump on a golf cart and give you a little tour around this fantastic RV resort. As we're leaving the Welcome Center, you can see over on the left here, they have lots of golf carts that you could rent. And you know what? If you don't have an e-bike or a way to get around, this resort is big enough to need a golf cart. And as we enter into the resort, we have propane fills over to the right. And then we come to a turnaround. We're going to head on in straight. Little fitness center with some elliptical, treadmill, bike, and some free weights. Very nice little fitness center for an RV park. Let's go around. Let's go around to the backside and see what a restroom looks like. All right, we're in here to the men's side. You can see this is a very nice facility, very well maintained. Nice big showers, very nice big showers, very clean, very nice facilities indeed. One thing I did want to point out is that there's a lot of pet waste receptacles like this one located throughout the park. And the speed limit in the park is 7 miles an hour. Now, what's interesting about this park is that we've heard a lot of people like trees in a high-end luxury resort, and oftentimes they're more wide open and not as many trees. So this one has a really good array of trees around the sites. So you can see that the laundry room is very nice as well, as you would expect. And if you do not have an RV, but you'd still like to experience Splash, they have these cool little cottages that you can rent as well. Quite a few of the cottages. But I want to show you something even cooler than a cottage. Let's check out the, I guess you'd call it the clubhouse or event center. And they have a nice store, video game arcade. And a nice little camp store for anything that you might need or forgot at home. And they've got a full bar, tiki bar. Lots of pools, kids pools. And this is really cool, a lazy river. A little chilly out today for Lazy River, but you can see they've got these tubes here that you can get in and float around the river, and it goes all around the water area. And wouldn't be an RV resort without water slide. And also some putt-putt golf, some little miniature putt-putt golf. You can see the water park area here is quite large, with the water slides, lazy rivers. There's an adult pool. I believe there's also a kid pool. The pools are heated. The lazy river is not. Continuation of a game area here with some more putt-putt golf and some cornhole as well, and plenty of seating to just hang out and chill out. Lots of gas fire pits throughout the property. I told you guys this place was pretty awesome, but there's more. So we showed you the bar, tiki bar. Now, what would the place be like this without a place to get something to eat? Look at this. They've got, it's like a food truck restaurant area. It's pretty cool. Let's check it out. Look at this, plenty of places to sit, shade, eating. You know, if all that is still not enough for you, they actually have a regular playground for the kiddos. But this is the adult pool here. So, always nice to have an adult pool. You know, when we don't want the kiddos around. Alright, so that's pretty impressive, you have to admit. I almost forgot that there is, when we were talking about cabins that you could stay in if you don't have an RV, there's something very unique here at Splash that I gotta show you. Because maybe you don't want the experience of staying in a cabin and you don't have an RV, but I have something for you. You can stay in this. Alright guys, I haven't seen this in a lot of places, but check this out. If you don't have an RV and you want to still enjoy Splash, but you don't have an RV and you don't want to stay in a cottage, you can stay in one of these wagons. Yes, that's right. I said wagons. These little wagons are very cool. Isn't this cool? And it looks as if they're building, yeah, a teepee to go with the wagons. And right here behind me is a big community fire pit. So you can see they really do have something for everyone here at Splash RV Resort. And you didn't see the wagons coming, I'm sure, because I certainly didn't expect to see wagons. Over in the wagon area though, they have a little pavilion set up that has a couple of grills, and it's covered. They've got some grills and places that you could cook, meal, grill out, cook out, whatever you want. And you can sign up for those. Kind of an outdoor kitchen area type thing. So plenty of amenities here at Splash. You certainly will not go without things to do and to keep you occupied. This is one of those resorts that you could come to and you don't have to leave to go do anything. You can get a meal, you can get a drink, you can cook at home, you can do it all. Let's go over and see one last thing that I wanted to show you. And see the ability to get ice at RV resorts, but this is a very high end where you can get not just ice, but also refill your freshwater tanks with filtered water. 25 cents a gallon, 5 gallons for $1, or you could get the ice, which is great when you're might need to fill up a cooler or something like that. Guys, hope that you enjoyed the tour of Splash RV Resort. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and most importantly, come and visit this resort because you're going to be very impressed. You're going to like it. I can guarantee you. They've got something for everyone. So come on out, check it out. And until next time, guys, we hope that you find your next destination. Thanks for watching.
We sold our house along with almost everything we owned, and we packed up the RV to live a lifestyle on the road. Now we're free from sticks and bricks and that old life we used to know. Come and join on our adventures, all the places that we'll go. And living in the RV is sublime. Destination full time.